Nihal the champ.
Okay.
Accept. I'm following Nihal, you bot.
Okay, so many people are sending requests. I'm too nice to refuse.
Okay, accept everybody. Am I wearing a mask in this game because of coronavirus update?
I don't know.
Nikki, there's a guy here.
Shit, there are many people here.
There's so many guys here. Shit.
I'm going to
Shit.
sleep.
Oh yeah.
Shit.
This is fun.
This is not fun. We're gonna die.
What is this?
I just hope I get some good guns if someone kills
I
me.
got pistol and purple DTR. Purple DTR, purple pistol.
Can you stop saying purple? It's purple.
Purple. Good.
So
Good,
gross.
yeah, good. I salute to you.
Salute.
And my middle finger salutes you.
I don't need any middle finger salute. I need only one.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Nihal! Nikhil!
Shut up, bro. It's
What
screaming.
happened?
Someone's killing!
Where are you?
I'm far away.
Shit, you people are where? I don't know, bro.
Oh my god.
I got a pistol.
Oh my gosh. Hey, Joe, come inside. Come inside the house. Come inside the house. Shooting happening outside.
Ingotu va.
Okay.
Oh my god.
This game
You are
simply
where
okay
the
and
shooting
good.
is going
There
on.
only shooting is going on.
Killed him.
There only shooting is going on and there John is standing like a dumb.
If what you are calling me, so I'm coming.
Now wait.
Kill one girl,
Look around
70
and
50.
come. Okay, look around.
Kill one girl.
Kill one girl.
Oh my god.
Not me. Yeah.
Nikhil, that's a pro here. Help.
4, no?
Yeah, 4. Help. 70. Killed her. Yes, let's go.
Oh my gosh.
G4B, you killed him, no? How he came back?
Killed one guy. I got killed. Both the teammates dead. They were like team. They were like in a team. I killed both them.
Yeah, bro, both of their chests also look these two chests together there.
Joel, that's not a good gun. Joel.
Okay, wait, let me get some.
Yeah, take this also. And change your gun in the hand.
Which gun?
Come and take this.
Where you running away?
Ingot.
Okay.
Here.
Oh shit, no, it's not me. Oh, that's you.
That's me. Take this one.
Give it? No, you took it now.
Okay, sorry. Take this. Use it in your hand. Change it. Don't use this gun in your hand. Okay, good.
So anybody want purple DTR?
Bro, I want purple pistol.
Bro,
Take
I want
from
that
this
gun
guy.
on top.
I have legendary gog. You want legendary gog?
Yeah, man.
I got from this Jasmine girl.
Joel, take this car.
Jamim girl.
Come and take this one. Come and take Scar. Scar is written over there. Behind you. Turn back. There in front. See there. Aye, behind you. There. See there in front. Take that gun. Go. Don't exchange it. You remove your P229. Remove that. Yeah, good boy.
There's this thing over here. There's this thing. No one is properly. Poop. I was like, what happened over there? Maybe
Okay, good boy. Come.
This thing, dropped the all.
But only some pros came. I killed all 2 pros. I
I
killed.
actually from very far with that purple pistol. Now I killed. Sorry, 9 with purple 9 I killed him.
Sad like an ass.
Crap. This.
Let me take you on a ride.
I got purple thing. I got a legendary this thing. Scar.
Okay, wait. 1 sec.
Get in that white zone. Go.
I want to open this treasure. Ooh, Scar.
What Scar?
Yeah.
I'll exchange with you.
Driving.
Wait, baby.
तो देख गाड़ा
On speaker.
Huh?
You're on speaker.
So what?
Okay.
Bro, MGL is good, RPG is good.
MGL. Both are like bombing only.
Okay, Jal, listen, there's an RPG, they go take that. That's like a bomb. If someone shoots
No
you.
need. I have enough guns. You sit down.
Hello? You sit behind me, I'm driving.
No, I'm driving.
Please, you don't know how to.
Fast. Time is going.
What happened? What happened?
to go 66 people now. I can little bit play like for
Where are you going?
Give me a second. Like Dad will dress up and
Oh my
I'll
god.
take you out there.
Oopsie. Okay.
Nihal, you take my loot, bro. When I, like you come near to me, don't go far from me because when I will die.
Don't go so far. What if someone comes and kills us?
I'm going in the white zone.
No. Stop here. Stop here.
God.
Stop here.
What?
Someone will kill us. Oh my god, there's already somebody. You run somewhere else. Run somewhere else. Somebody is near us.
See, this is the white zone. Here it is safe.
No, it is dangerous.
No.
There's more people. Turn back. Go to Nikhil here. Oh my god, there's a guy there.
Look at the house here. You
Look at-
thinking what I'm thinking?
Jaldi give me.
Are you high?
Okay, what do you want?
Purple pistol only I want.
Can you go back?
Enter.
Because I
9
won't
to.
be able to
No,
kill
no,
crows.
Okay, now
Look at my suit.
Look at mine. I have that one. Kachra, I don't have to change it.
Yeah.
You
Come
dumb
on.
ass.
Those people ran in the zone. Come, let run.
I don't know, there's no car over here.
Where you guys ran in Palmbok? These people ran.
Yeah, man, this girl driving me to Palmbok. Oh, there's a guy there.
Get some stuff.
There's a guy there.
Yeah, I got a skateboard. Oh shit, man, it's full.
There's a guy there.
Where?
Look at where I'm pointing.
Where are you? Okay. Do you have a sniper?
I don't have a sniper.
I have a sniper.
Oh shit.
2 HP, 62 HP, killed him.
Who killed you?
Oh my god, I knocked him. Shit, he based up. MGL.
I killed him, Sansa. Bro, you're sniping from here? Here, this guy? You're sniping this guy? You shoot this guy? Ah, this
Same
guy.
guy. I am killing. I killed him 62 HP.
This with light, no? Sansa.
Sansa, yeah, I killed her. See, that's how you do it, you dumb child. Take this.
Okay. I am observing through my sniper.
Now nobody's there. Can you stop standing there? People will snipe you.
There's a guy, look, there's a guy. He landed over there on the road. Can you just snipe over there? Road.
On the road.
On the road of the, any road you can see.
We are on the road only, we can't see him.
On the
Rush
road,
to
bro.
the next safe zone. We have to rush to the next safe zone, but okay, I see him.
See, over here,
Oh,
over here.
yeah. Kill them.
Gosh, legendary AK-47. Oh my freaking gosh.
Okay,
So
okay,
rich, man.
Jyotia,
Oh my gosh.
Get that guy.
we killed him, you come.
Can you take this thing, bro? VSS.
I'm on top, I'm driving
Legendary
this guy.
only. I'm dead, bro. This girl is rich.
Look at my suit.
Look at mine.
Hey, look at my suit.
Oh, cool.
Boy, come fast. Hey, Nihal, get out. Nikhil, get out. Jump fast, okay. Oops, sorry.
Oh my gosh, what the? Where do you
Any
guys?
car by once.
Fast.
Huh?
Any car by one. I will take the phone. That's why any car.
There's a person here, let's go kill him.
Nikhil, follow me fast.
I killed him.
Follow me, I know there's a this thing over there.
This guy shooting me from back.
No, just come.
Die now in 30 seconds.
Shut up, what's wrong with you?
Safe zone strings.
I'm going in the safe zone. We are in the safe zone only, bot.
Not.
We are.
No, bro, Ajay.
Yeah,
You come now, shut up and you come.
You're going to kill all of us.
Jaldi, Nikhil, bro. Don't. 17 seconds, bro.
Oh my god, we are way inside the safe zone now. Let's...
Shit, here, no car is here, bro.
There's no car over there.
Where?
Going to die in under 5 seconds.
There's no in the gate. That's a here like him.
Let's
There
die.
is a gate.
There's no car in the gate.
You come, bro. Follow me.
Dead.
You all enter fast, otherwise you'll die.
Where? There's no car.
Here, come, bro.
Oh shit! We are outside the safe zone.
Oh, okay, car is under over there. Okay. I will drive. I will drive.
We are going outside. The safe zone is shrinking. Run.
Okay, I'm going.
Why are you turning towards it? Go in the same direction only. Yeah.
Where are you guys, bro? Somewhere in Springtown, these people are.
Yeah, we are. Oh my god, airstrike! Shit!
What?
Don't go front. Don't go front. You're not in the airstrike.
Yeah, I know.
Just don't go front there.
What is airstrike?
Can you see that yellow color circle?
Yeah.
There, full bombs will be falling
Why?
because someone put an airstrike there.
Oh, sad.
John, vehicle run out of gas. Sorry.
Now get out of this thing.
It is
House.
okay.
Now follow me fast.
Here and snipe.
Follow me. They'll snipe you before you can snipe them.
No. I
Follow
will
me.
snipe. Okay, wait, let me get out first. Where are you now?
Here.
I'm running towards you. Hey, where is my skateboard?
You didn't collect enough.
Crap. Shooting happening over.
Bro, safe zone. Rush inside the safe zone.
Where are these people, bro?
Who will?
Run in the zone, Nikhil. Run in the zone. It's enclosing us, bro. Run in the zone. Oh my gosh.
John, you're following me.
I'll remove my fire streamers, bro. Maybe they'll get attracted to that.
Yeah, remote.
Oh, nice gun. We could have taken it, but no time.
It's not a nice gun. You saw. Shut up and just come.
But I want it. I'm going to take it. I'll be right back.
I discarded
Safe
it.
zone will kill you. Just come fast. What's wrong with this boy? Oh, Deva.
Look who's back. Tan, 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 tan. Tan, tan, tan.
Okay, watch out, people. Oh shit, I see someone.
Where?
Wait.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
He's going there.
Yeah, he's going straight there. God.
Actually, what?
Oh, it's an auto.
Where is he?
I don't know.
Where's that person? I saw that person.
Where are you sniping the building? You snipe over there. Poop there.
Wait, what gun is this? XM8. What is this? Is this PN plasma good?
Oh shit,
Yeah, yeah.
another airstrike.
Another airstrike. John, you just stand there only. You just stand there.
There's a guy in yellow here.
There.
Killed 100, wow.
Someone's near us.
Knocked her.
Someone's
Dead.
near us. Someone's near us.
Dead.
Somebody's near us.
But why?
Yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Oh shit.
whoa.
Cool, yeah, cool. Nicky.
Cool that shooting. Yeah.
Butt shot and headshot. Butt shot, headshot.
Who you kill headshot?
I didn't kill headshot. I killed a body shot.
I have to kill butt shot.
No, after when she got knocked down, I killed a headshot.
Bam, shit. You just stand like that, then everybody will come and kill you.
Bro, I sniped him goal 100 and then some other guy killed him. You will swear I killed him.
Sniping.
Neil, can you open his scope? Come to me. Neil, come to me.
Yeah, here, I'm here.
Yeah, you're here, no? You put it on his scope. You know the house you can see over there really far? In near the stone you can see there's a small loot, no? There's a little loot over there.
Yeah.
That I killed 100. Then I don't know, somebody killed her. I don't know, bombs or something killed her, I guess.
Yeah, bombs only will kill in the zone, no.
I need med.
Meta.
What is med die? I don't want med die. I just want med.
Okay, I have, but how to give?
No need. I got from here. You keep it for.
How to give? It will come in use in future. future.
No need. You just keep it for yourself.
Just remove it from the gun slot. Like you know, that's the gun and remove it. Just throw somewhere.
No need. Let him keep it for himself.
Okay, thanks.
Jonah, come. Safe zone. Safe zone. Where are you standing there alone?
Oh my god, where will you run up without me? I thought all you were just standing here chilling.
Chilling or what?
Come fast, fast. Safe zone is coming.
Jala such bad teammates.
Come fast. And what's wrong with you?
What, you left me and you asked me to come fast now, huh?
You left me first.
No.
Yes.
This guy, come follow me.
Okay, wait, after
Yeah, you go here, you go here.
people might be around.
Whoa. Look at that. What?
46.
Okay, guys, let's stop. I have to snipe.
Kill him. Bello.
Oh, shit, this auto.
Oh, next is inside there only. Oh, that didn't come till now.
Helicopter.
Yeah, you want Papa legendary scar?
No, it's fine.
I have legendary scar, legendary AK-47. Anybody
Okay,
want?
guys, I'll hide in the house and
Best.
shoot people.
Yeah, that's best.
What's wrong with you, Joel?
Perfect, bro.
Safe zone is there, Joel. That house, safe zone is gonna eat you up.
Okay, until then.
Come and hide in this house, see?
Yeah, AK,
Okay,
take.
wait, coming.
I don't know what.
Okay, then give me the bullets. Give me all bullets in there.
Bro, I'm using for AWP.
You take AWP then. What AWP you have?
Yo, guys, are we ready for the first number one together?
10 people left. What number one you want?
Why are you shooting like bots?
Bro, I need charger, bro, Nikhil.
No, bro, I need full time. How much you have
Now I have 14.
now? 14. Go charge in the other one, bro.
Okay, I'll charge another one.
Oh my god, someone guys landing over here.
Oh shit, yeah.
Who's landing? Who's landing?
Just snipe.
Whoa.
Don't knock. What's wrong with you?
Yeah, from there.
Oh my god. That's what I told you. Just don't stand like that. Someone will snipe you.
Yeah, in that house.
Oh my. Okay, correct.
Kill her, 38, 58.
Oh.
Near put bombs over there, no? Or shoot that. Yeah, she's over there. She's running away now. Oh crap, she ran away. I killed her so much, bro.
My phone was lagging, bro, that time. Now it's okay.
Bro,
Stop.
where to put bombs?
Stop shooting now. Stop throwing bombs.
Oh, there's no reboot center also nearby. There is one nearby.
In Springtown, there is.
Yeah, it's Springtown.
Yeah, give me.
I already collected.
Okay, then here go.
Nihal, why should I go?
Okay. Yeah, she's shooting. Yeah, she came.
Oh my god, those people came.
Nikhil, be careful, yeah, please.
Sure.
Kill her, yeah, 23. Arey, yaar.
Nihal also now?
Yeah.
I also died.
Oh crap, he's throwing bombs. Help.
Throw bomb. Natty, throw bomb. Natty, go front. Don't come out. Yeah, good on. MGL, good on. Go front, Natty, go front.
Not me.
Go front, Natty, go front.
I'm not. What go front?
Why, bro? Oh, full team, bro. They
No,
were.
RPG would be better than MGL. RPG can
MGL is best, bro. MGL has 16, but more than the RPG. Because you can do. You can place it wherever you can. RPG can be going somewhere also.
Now we all died.
Okay, I'm to have lunch now.
Okay.
I'll custom my building, bro. I'll be sure.
What's the other game?
Your team remote goes on.
Guys, this game was good. And came, I don't know which place, I don't see. Third, guys. We came third. So guys, see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.